Welcome back everyone. In today's video or project, I want to teach you guys how I produce these 10 liters of hair shampoo at home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how I made this with every step, and I'll be explaining each of my chemicals and their roles and function in my hair shampoo production. So watch this video if you wish to produce your own hair shampoo at home. Over here are my chemicals or ingredients I'll be using for this hair shampoo production. Here is my nitrosol. I'm making use of 100 grams of nitrosol. Nitrosol in hair shampoo production is a thickening agent. This is what makes the production thick. It gives it that thick feel or thick appearance. My next chemical is the SLS, which is also known as sodium lauryl sulfate. This is a foaming agent. This is what will cause my hair shampoo to lather. So I'm making use of 150 grams of SLS. My next chemical over here is the soda ash. I'm making use of 200 grams. Soda ash in hair shampoo production is a cleaning agent. This is what removes dirt from the hair. It's a cleaning agent, so it removes dirt from the hair. Next I'll be using is the STPP, sodium tripolyphosphate. I'm making use of 50 grams. It's also a cleaning agent. This also removes dirt from the hair. It helps alongside with soda ash to remove dirt from the hair. My next chemical is called sulfonic acid. This is a foaming agent. This helps my hair shampoo to lather well or foam alongside my SLS. So the both of them together will aid my hair shampoo to foam or lather. This is the sulfonic acid. I'm making use of 300 ml. The next on the list is called the liquid foam booster. I'm making use of 50 cl, which is also known as half a liter. This helps the hair shampoo to lather well. Next is my glycerin. This is a moisturizer. It helps the hair to stay moisturized. I'm making use of 200 grams. It helps the hair to lock moisture in it. It doesn't make the hair dry, but it helps it to be moisturized. The next is my tea tree oil. This is an anti-dandruff ingredient. This deals with dandruff on the hair. I'll be making use of 2 tablespoons of tea tree oil. If you don't have tea tree oil, you can use industrial camphor. You can use industrial camphor or tea tree oil. Any of them you have at your disposal. Then here is my fragrance. This will help my hair shampoo to have a very nice smell. Then over here is the sodium benzoate. I'm making use of 10 grams for these 10 liters of production. This is a preservative. Then this is my color. I want my hair shampoo to have a nice appearance. So we'll go straight into the production process. We'll start dissolving the necessary chemicals that needs to be dissolved in water. So if you want to join my online class, you can check the description of this video too. You'll find a link. If you simply click on that link, it will take you to my online class on WhatsApp, where you can join my class. You will learn a lot of things. You will learn how to make soap. You learn how to make liquid soap, tablet soap, powder detergent, and so on. So over here is the soda ash. I'm dissolving it in water. That's what I'm pouring inside. I'm dissolving my soda ash in water. Don't forget to join my online class. You will learn a lot of things there. If you want to become a pro in soap making, then my online class is for you. You will learn a lot in my online class. I have dissolved all the necessary things. The last thing I want to be dissolving is the nitrosol. So I'll dissolve my nitrosol in these 8 liters of water. Nitrosol will be the last thing you dissolve in this production, and you dissolve it in a larger volume of water. You can see I'm dissolving my own nitrosol in 8 liters of water. I'm going to stir it till it has properly dissolved. The next thing I'll be adding is my soda ash. After my nitrosol has dissolved in that water, I stirred it properly, and now added my soda ash. Everything has been dissolved. I'm adding the dissolved chemicals one by one. The first dissolved chemical I added into the nitrosol is the soda ash, so I'll keep on stirring. The next dissolved chemical I'll be adding is my STPP. You can see I have poured it inside, so I'll keep on stirring. Next I'll be adding is the sulfonic acid. So I've added my soda ash, added my STPP. Now I'm adding my sulfonic acid. I'll add it and stir. I'll be adding my SLS next. So I'll add it and I'll stir also. Next I'll be adding is my liquid foam booster. I'll add it in and also stir. I'll add my glycerin. You can see I've added my glycerin. Now I'm stirring. Now it's time for me to add my tea tree oil. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of this into my hair shampoo production. Now I want to be adding my fragrance. I'll add and stir also. So each stuff I'm adding inside, each chemical I'm adding inside, I'm adding and stirring. I'll add and stir, add and stir. That's how you do this. It's not hard, it's very easy. The next I'll be adding is the color. I'll add also and I will stir. I actually decided to add more color because the first color I added didn't really come out the way I wanted it to. So I dissolved more colors and added so that it will be bright. I want it to be a bit bright. Yeah, that color was dull. So I have ebooks for sale. If you need something that looks like a book that will guide you on how to produce this thing, the step-by-step formulation, the recipes, and the that's something that will guide you on how to produce this in a written form. I have ebooks for sale. You can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen. My ebooks is very educative, very rich. It has a lot of recipes inside, a lot of formulations inside. Alright, so this is the final process or the final production for the hair shampoo. I'm done producing this. I've added my preservative. So after this process, what you need to do is just to package this in your fancy bottles or any kind of bottle you have. You package this and keep at home, or if you want to sell it, you can take it to hairdressing salon and sell to customers and make money. So thank you for watching this video, and see you all on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video. Goodbye, and see you all next time.